Hello, welcome to my video. This video is about the problem 5 and my code. So as you can see on the right side of the screen is the two pictures that I have drawn by the code on the left side. So it is similar to any turtles problem related ever. I imported the turtle module and create a screen and create two turtles and set their colors to blue and the background color to light green, and also set the speed to maximum here. So this is my first function, which is for moving the turtle to an appropriate position, and this function requires two parameters, turtle t and position. So here I call two functions, um, which makes the turtle to which makes the first turtle letters p1 to move backward for 200 units, and the turtle letters p2 to move 200 units forward. So before I go to the second function, I want to talk about the picture first. So what I have noticed is in a revolution, which is, for example, from this point to this point, um, the opposite lines are different in length. So it's like, for example, this line start from this point to this point, not this point, but this point, and this line start from this point to this point. So that means the line here is longer than the second line for one increment, which is a little space here, and this is also true for this line and this line. So that makes me come up with an idea that I will make a function that makes the total to draw several revolutions with a given angle, and in each revolution the turtle will draw two parts. For the first part, it will draw a couple of two lines with the same length, but in the second part, it will draw a couple of two lines with the length that is longer than the two previous ones. So, so I used a for loop statement to make the total does 2 times n times, which means that eventually the turtle will make n revolutions. So here I call the function draw letters p1 with the angle of 90 degree and 25 revolution. It will make this picture. And for the second picture, I changed the angle a little bit, because what I have noticed is the turtle started from this point. It will gradually turn to the left, right here, like this curve. That so I changed the angle from 90 degree to 89 degrees, and I have this picture. In addition, if I want to draw a picture that in which the turtle turned to the right, I will change the angle from maybe from 90 to something 91. So I will close this screen to rerun it again. So it works. Thank you for listening.